Listen up, you lot. Food poisoning is a right nightmare. It leaves you feeling like you've gone 10 rounds with a bloody octopus and lost. But don't think you can just lie there feeling sorry for yourself. We've got to get you back on your feet, and that starts with what you put in your body. We're talking about the right fuel, the good stuff that's going to kick those nasty symptoms right out of your system. So today, we're going in hard on 7 superfoods that'll help you recover from food poisoning faster than you can say bloody hell. Get ready to take notes, because this is a masterclass in getting your gut back in shape. Right, let's talk ginger. This little root you see is more than just something you chuck in a stir-fry or hide in a biscuit. It's a bloody warrior when it comes to fighting nausea. And let's be honest, when you're battling food poisoning, nausea is that annoying git who just won't leave you alone. Ginger steps in and gives nausea a good dose of shut-it, calming your stomach down like a stern talking to. It's got these magical compounds called gingerols. Think of them as tiny ninjas fighting inflammation and pain. So, a bit of ginger in your tea or even a bit of ginger candy, and you're already one step ahead of the game. Don't underestimate the power of ginger, you hear me? It's a bloody lifesaver. Next up, we've got blueberries. Now don't let their size fool you. These little fellas are packed with antioxidants. What are antioxidants, you ask? They're like the bouncers of your body, chucking out all the nasty toxins that are making you feel like you've been run over by a lorry. And when you've got food poisoning, believe me, you've got a whole pub full of toxins trying to cause havoc. Blueberries step in and say, "Not on our watch, mate." They boost your immune system, giving it the strength to fight back against those nasty bugs. So get yourself a handful of blueberries, chuck them in a smoothie, or just eat them straight up. They're like tiny little superheroes for your gut. Now listen carefully, because this next one is crucial. Food poisoning can leave you more dehydrated than a camel in the Sahara. You're losing fluids faster than a leaky faucet, and that's where coconut water comes in. This is not some trendy fad. This is serious business. Coconut water is packed with electrolytes, which are like the good guys that keep your body's fluid levels in check. Think of it as nature's own sports drink, but without all the added sugar and crap. So ditch the fizzy drinks and grab yourself a coconut. Crack it open and guzzle down that natural goodness. Your body will thank you for it. Let's talk bananas, shall we? No, I'm not suggesting you go bananas, although food poisoning might make you feel like it. Bananas are your best mate when you're trying to get back on your feet after a bout of food poisoning. Why? Because they're absolutely loaded with potassium. And potassium, my friend, is essential for maintaining your electrolyte balance, which goes haywire when you're battling those nasty food poisoning symptoms. Plus, bananas are gentle on your stomach, which is exactly what you need when your gut feels like it's staging a revolt. So mash it up, slice it on toast, or just eat it straight up. Bananas are your new best friend. Right, let's talk about peppermint tea. This isn't just some fancy afternoon beverage, it's a bloody lifesaver when your stomach feels like a war zone. Peppermint contains menthol, a natural compound that's like a soothing balm for your digestive system. It helps to calm those painful cramps and spasms that have you doubled over in agony. Think of it as a gentle massage for your gut, easing away all the tension and stress. So brew yourself a cup of peppermint tea, sit back, and let the soothing aroma and taste work its magic. It's a simple remedy, but trust me, it works wonders. Now let's talk yogurt. Not that sugary, fruit-filled rubbish, but the real deal. The plain, unsweetened stuff that's packed with probiotics. What are probiotics? They're the good bacteria that live in your gut, the ones that keep everything running smoothly. And when you've got food poisoning, your gut bacteria takes a serious hit. Yogurt steps in like a SWAT team, replenishing the good guys and helping to restore balance in your gut. It's like sending in reinforcements to fight the good fight. So get yourself a good quality yogurt and eat it plain or add it to a smoothie. Your gut will thank you for it. Finally, let's talk about oatmeal. Yes, I know, it doesn't sound very exciting, but trust me on this one. When your stomach is feeling like a delicate flower, oatmeal is like a warm hug. It's gentle on your digestive system, easy to digest, and provides essential nutrients to help you recover. Plus, it's a good source of fiber, which helps to bulk up your stools and get things moving again. So, ditch the sugary cereals and opt for a bowl of plain oatmeal. Add a bit of honey or some fruit for sweetness, and you've got yourself a comforting and nourishing meal that will help you get back on track. There you have it, you lot. 7 superfoods that'll help you bounce back from food poisoning faster than a head chef kicks out a rubbish cook. Remember, eating the right foods can make a world of difference when you're feeling like you've been through the ringer. So, stock up on these superfoods and give your body the best chance of fighting back. And if those symptoms are sticking around like an unwanted guest, don't be a fool. Get yourself to a doctor, you hear? Now go forth and conquer that food poisoning. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more culinary and health tips from Ayabunda, 123 Bijak.